Mabende odak kod ng'ol kanyakla kod mago modak e kuonde dak mongohore to koro kwayo mondo chiwnegi thuolo mar telo e pacho kaendi. Maendi en kwayo mabende Wakeyni goeko nobedo godo e kinde odiochieng joma Wakeyni e piny ngima, kendo jafwambo marwa nyadendi Elizabeth oyuoro e nyasi no ere kar dak ma Jamhuri Kibra buore Nairobi, kendo maendi e lipot mabende oikonwa.
My name is Lizzie Kiama and I'm the founder and managing trustee at Disability Trust. Our work focuses on the rights and inclusion of women and girls with disabilities in Kenya. I think it's to ensure that I live my life with as much purpose as possible. Exercise my politics in whichever way they come across, and live as freely and as joyfully as possible, which is difficult for women, and particularly for disabled women in Kenya. Women are being discriminated every day. It's unfortunate that happened yesterday, but I think the reason why it was highlighted is because it was captured and it was shared on social media. But violence occurs on women's bodies every single day, and particularly for women and girls with disabilities, they experience violence 10 times more than non-disabled women. So this violence happens, and we allow it to happen as a society. I don't know, maybe because of patriarchy. I don't know, maybe because we elect poor leadership. We elect leadership that is not conscious. We ourselves who work in civil society are also a bit afraid to push this agenda as effectively as it should. We are comfortable with the status quo, and when we are comfortable, we don't shake things up, and when we don't shake things up...
My name is Jackson Yoban, Regional Manager for Forum C, responsible for East and Southern African region, working as an organization to ensure that we give the marginalized communities and groups power to effect their change as the vision of the organization. And this is important because women, they are categorized as part of a group that is not given space. And so this day, the National Women's Day, is important to an organization because being Swedish organization, putting women at the center of development means everything for us. Everything that we do from programming, we have to ensure that women are at the center of the change process. So International Women's Day and our role as an organization as a facilitator, bringing it together, supporting grassroots movement organizations led by women, most of them, and also young people in this regard to ensure that we have an environment that is more enabling for women to thrive and do their work, protect their families, provide for them, and above all, contribute to the social change that we so desire. Yeah, I think when I read that, I saw the clip in the evening. It was so disheartening because you have to imagine how society has gone too low to kind of attacking these border young men, attacking a woman who is not able to defend herself. I think the level of madness in this country has gone a notch higher, and probably what we need to do as a country, how do we make this sector, border, because it's a big sector now, to have sanity in terms of how to observe the traffic rules, how to respect other road users,